We're at the Anaheim Marriott Suites, and this is room 305 up here. This is a king suite. As we walk in on the right hand side here, it looks like a little coffee station with a dresser, but this is the main living room area. And it's separated, it has a king bedroom over there. This is also the way into the restroom from this side, which we'll take a tour of here in a second. Here we have a large screen TV in the main room. Down below, little refrigerator here. A little cooler to keep things cold. I should focus down there for you. Move over here. This is a pull-out couch right here. Yeah, has a little pull-out there. And the desk for the main room, and it also has the window that overlooks the pool on this side. There's the pool, and there's a look at Anaheim. Disneyland right off that way. We'll spin around here. As we come in this way, this is the main king bed. Forget my sunglasses there. But some nice beach artwork up here above the beds. Looks like both sides have the outlets on them. Turn the lights on here. There it is. Just regular outlets there. Then the alarm clock and another large TV on this side. So big TVs here. Also looks like it has some HDMI ins, some USB ins. And once again, just the same view here. This is the pool right there. And the neighboring hotel. As we come through here, this is the vanity area. Single vanity here. Big mirror, there I am. Turn around. And we have the closet, extra pillow and blanket, ironing board and iron. Then we come in here. We have the toilet in this section with some Anaheim Angels baseball art above it, photographs. And the shower. Right here, wall-mounted shower supplies. And the shower head looks a little dirty there. Probably needs to be changed out, but will survive. This is the tub area, so tub and shower combo. So this is a look at the Anaheim Marriott Suites, about a mile and a half away from Disneyland.